and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Reddit comments not showing. So first thing first, launch your Reddit and select a comment of any post. It should show. If it's not showing in your case, what you have to do is launch your Play Store or App Store and then search for Reddit. Make sure the application that you are using is updated. If you see update, select update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. So move on to next step. Long tap onto Reddit, select the eye icon, scroll below, go for storage and clear the cache. If you remember your credentials, I also recommend you to clear the data, but read all these and select delete. Now lastly, select force stop and then OK. Now, see if this fixes your problem. If you're still not being able to read the comments, just know that the owner or the admin of that post has disabled it. Just like so guys, this is how you can fix your problem. Thank you for watching.